Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix lagging issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, as you all know, Apple has officially released the iOS 18 beta 1, but many of you are complaining about after updating to it you are facing an issue of lagging, that your iPhones are lagging too much and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix lagging issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 beta. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. Our first and simple step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve performance issues caused by temporary glitches. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply close your background apps. Background apps can consume system resources and cause lag. Close apps that you are not using. Simply swipe up from the top bottom of your screen and close the background apps. After this, then you have to do is simply free up your storage space. Insufficient storage can slow down your iPhones. Delete unnecessary apps, photos, videos, and other files. You have to go to the settings, then go to General, go to iPhone storage. Sorry, go back and search share storage.